Hey Yandy babes, build a one-of-a-kind costume in 2 easy steps. Log on to Yandy.com/DIY and click on your favorite sexy category. Then find your pieces by scrolling through and adding pics to cart. From selecting a base, props and accessories, hair and beauty, hosiery, and shoes, we have everything you need to slay on Halloween night.
By checking it over. Hey guys, it's Anastasia Nova. Hey YouTube, it's Anastasia Nova, and if we left you satisfied, check out our channel. Don't forget to subscribe.